आज हम लोग बटन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे एंड हाउ टू यूज क्लिक इवेंट इन द बटन। पहली एक लेआउट फाइल होती है, उसको XML फाइल भी कहते हैं। दूसरा मेन एक्टिविटी डॉट जावा फाइल। क्लिक ऑन द XML फाइल, यू हैव टू select button, then wrap content, you can also drag it from the palette which has been provided here. The palette, you can adjust the width as well as height, then add text to it. Okay, one of the important thing about every element in the Android is that we have to specify these elements with a particular ID. For this we just including a tag called ID, and in that ID section we have to write a particular name that has to be linked with the particular element. For example, here the button, and the following function it is doing it is click me. So let's make the ID as click me button. Right, we have declared the ID here. So your button element has been successfully added in the layout. So let's switch to the Java file. This is the Java file. It is the main entry point of the execution of your program. So first of all, since we have declared an ID here in the layout, we have to find that ID and link it. First we have to create an object of the button, then we have to find view by ID r.id. whatever ID name we have given in the layout. We have a setOnClickListener. This is an important function that has been provided in the button, so that whenever we click on that button, a particular function, it should direct us. There are two methods to apply setOnClickListener. To write the object, then setOnClickListener, new view on ClickListener in the toast operation. So for this we have to write a toast dot make test, take main activity dot java file, and location is this. So this button has been clicked. This is my text. Take the length of the toast. So toast dot length short, and then show, just show. Save it, then we have to run it. The button has been clicked, the toast has been appearing, so we can say that the click event has been working properly. Since I told you there are two methods to apply setOnClickListener, there is also another option where a Java use some inbuilt Lambda expressions. You have to call the button object, then click setOnClickListener. You have to click the view, it is a Lambda expressions, then just copy this toast, save it. Let's rerun it, whether it's working or not. Yes, it is working fine. And thank you. We shall meet in the next video.